Hola a todos. Bienvenidos de nuevo a nuestro canal de inglés. Hoy vamos a aprender uno de los temas gramaticales más importantes del inglés. The present perfect and the simple past. Hoy vamos a aprender uno de los temas más importantes de la gramática inglesa. Muchos estudiantes de inglés confunden estos dos tiempos porque en español pueden sonar parecidos. But don't worry. Al finalizar esta lección, sabrás cuándo usar el presente perfecto. Cuándo usar el pasado simple. Los errores más comunes. Ejemplos de la vida real. Preguntas y respuestas. Conversaciones. Let's begin.
What is the simple past? We use the simple past for finished actions in the past. The time is finished. Examples. I visited my grandmother yesterday. She studied English last year. We traveled to Bogotá in December. Viajamos a Bogotá en diciembre. Yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 2 days ago, in 2023, on Monday. Examples. I watched a movie yesterday. She bought a new phone last month. They went to the beach 2 weeks ago. Structure. Affirmative. Subject plus verb in past plus complement. I worked yesterday. She visited her friend. They played soccer. Negative. Subject plus did not plus verb. I didn't work yesterday. She didn't visit her friend. They didn't play soccer. Questions. Did plus subject plus verb? Did you work yesterday? Did she call you? Did they travel last year? What is the present perfect? We use the present perfect for experiences, recent actions, or actions that have a connection with the present. Structure. Subject plus have, has plus past participle. I have visited Cartagena. She has studied English. They have finished their homework. Contractions. I have equals have, you have equals you've, he has equals he's, she has equals she's, they have equals they've. Examples. I've seen that movie. She's finished her work. We've traveled to Medellin. Experiences. I have been to Tayrona National Park. He has visited Mexico. They have tried Colombian coffee. The big difference in simple past, the action is finished, and the time is finished. I visited Cartagena last year. Action completed, time up. For the other hand, the present perfect is the action has a connection to the present. I have visited Cartagena. Life experience. We don't know when. Present perfect. I have visited Tayrona National Park. In this example, we describe the experience we had. Simple past. I visited Tayrona last summer. Here, we state exactly when. Present perfect. I have tried sushi. Simple past. I tried sushi last month. Present perfect. I have studied English for 3 years. Simple past. I studied English in high school. Present perfect. I have seen Star Wars. Simple past. I watched Star Wars yesterday. To take the keywords into account. Present perfect. Ever, never, already, yet, just, since. 4. Examples. Have you ever been to Mexico? I have never tried Indian food. She has already finished. They haven't arrived yet. Now. Simple past. Yesterday. Last week. Last year. Ago. In 2022. On Monday. Examples. I bought this phone last year. She graduated in 2022. We met 2 days ago.
Let's see now a little conversation for practice.
Have you ever visited Medellin?
Carlos, yes, I have.
When did you go?
I went there last December.
Did you like it?
Yes, I loved it.
Have you been there more than once?
Yes, I have visited Medellin 3 times.
These are some questions for practice present perfect and simple past. Pause the video and answer. Have you ever visited another country? Have you ever met a famous person? Have you ever ridden a horse? Have you ever gone camping? Have you ever watched Star Wars? Now answer using simple past. When did you watch Star Wars? When did you go camping? Where did you ride a horse? Who did you meet? Listen and repeat. I have visited Bogotá. I visited Bogotá last year. I have eaten sushi. I ate sushi yesterday. She has studied English. She studied English in high school. They have traveled to Mexico. They traveled to Mexico in 2024. Excellent job. Today you learned the difference between the present perfect and the simple past. Remember. Present perfect. Experience. No specific time. Connection to the present. Simple past. Finished action. Specific time. Yesterday, last week, In 2024, ago. Keep practicing every day. Practice makes progress.
What is the
Gracias
simple
por
past?
ver el video. No olvides darle me gusta, suscribirte al canal y activar las notificaciones para seguir mejorando tu inglés cada día. Nos vemos en la próxima lección. Adiós a todos.